Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing this lovely, glorious morning? Welcome to my channel, guys. Joey Barnett, real Joey Barnett. So, stripping down a CR85R on a 2006, doing a top end rebuild. As I'm unbolting it and unbracking it and taking the screws out, I can see loads and loads of odd screws. Like, if you look on the reeds, just there, you've got an 8mm bolt up there and you've got a torque bolt there, vice versa both sides. Got to strip quite a lot down to do a rebuild on these little 85s. I didn't realise, but yeah, the clutch cable has got to be disconnected, obviously. These CRs don't come with O-rings, they actually come with a head gasket. Lucky enough, I've got the head gasket in there. Head gasket looks alright. I've been cleaning the head up. The head's come out pretty nice, actually. So yeah, I've got a honing tool coming to hone the head, give it a light hone. And I've got a new piston, new gaskets, gudgeon pin, wrist pin, circlips, all the rest of it. But yeah, you've got to take quite a lot off of these little CRs. And the clutch, actually goes on there, sits on the sits over there like that somehow. You can see you've got an 8mm bolt down here. It's best to undo the Jubilee clip there, just to loosen the carburetor a bit, and disconnect the I've got to disconnect the throttle cable from the throttle housing. The exhaust has had to come off. Got a few bits in there that I've stripped off already. Yeah, as I'm rebuilding it, guys, I'll be uploading content for proof of a rebuild. See you in a bit.